I'ma be quite frank about the show. Now, when I did a video about me being excited about this whole like Born into Fame show, but I did say it was giving like highly curated type of vibes. I finally got to watch episode one, you guys, and in all honesty, I am bored. I am bored. Not bored as in like irritated, bored as in like it's boring. Like, maybe it was just episode one, you guys, and maybe like we need to cut. Maybe I need to watch episode two. But even on the snippets, like when episode one got finished and the snippets of episode two, and not the snippets of episode two, the snippets of the season, I'm just like, it's not appetizing. It's not like getting me to like want to watch it. I'm just like, it's boring, guys. So let's just give you a recap of episode one, even though I'm just like while I was watching the show, I was yawning and busy, like sleepy, because like I personally, and this is my opinion, I feel like zero content. Zero content, and it looks like, and I was saying it's quite high. It looks like it's highly curated because there's zero content, then they have to make up stuff. I thought really because it's like a celebrity children's show, then yeah, but like anyway, it starts off with Robbie Malinga Jr. Robbie Malinga Jr., what I want to say, what I can say about him, he looks like he lives large, you guys. He looks like he lives large, and he really looks like Banemar. Hey, the shopping he does, the type of lifestyle he looks like he loves, he really does look like he has the money. But he does say that him and his father are like twins because I mean they have the same surname, the same names. People often they tell him that he reminds them of his late father and etc. Then it gets to a point where he's speaking to his producer and he's busy talking about Shamiso. Shamiso's good looking. Listen, Shamiso is a good looking hun. That he likes her and he's thinking of hitting her up, of texting her, and then also Uwami, but Uwami Mafugate, she is like a DJ and she is Arthur Mafugate's daughter, but he's known her for a while. But the way it seems like he's more drawn to Shami, so he likes Shami. So even though he was like saying ukuthi Owami is beautiful, and if angabe sesithenjini Owami would be like umamkhulu by virtue of them knowing one another, and Shamiso would be umamncane. So the producer ends up saying, no, go for the yellow bone. You can see kwe what. I'm like, what's with black dudes and yellow bones? Yo, like the thing was, she's a yellow bone. I'm like, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Like, for me, it's a different thing when a person's like, yeah, she's beautiful. But like, what is the obsession with the fact that she's like a yellow bone? I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, he does end up hitting her up, sending her a text, basically inviting her to dinner. And there was that. And then there was Pila Madlingozi. Pila Madlingozi, we really didn't even get to see much. We didn't even get to see the house that he lives in. Upila seen, like, according to like my experience with him on the internet, of course, he just seems like a normal Kasi dude. Even from the show, I didn't see him take shots at his house or anything like that. He was out and about. He just looks like a normal dude, you know? So he says that he never ever felt like he was born into fame because he hardly saw his father. He grew up and was brought up by his granny. And that's why, like, he's into the hood and he's giving like hood vibes. So, angazi if maybe in the upcoming episodes, if he's gonna show us, because for me, if a person's saying, if the name of the show is Born into Fame, I wanna see the perks of being born into fame. I wanna see the luxury. I wanna see. Yeah. And then there's Shamiso, who is 25 years old. She said 25. She said she's 25 years old, but when I was listening to the producer, he was saying 21 years old. So I was kind of like baffled at that because the age gap between what they mentioned is quite big. And I'm saying quite big because I mean, like, when was the show shot? So Ushami, so like one thing I would say, like one of the things, like my first impressions of her was like, why does this girl have so many tattoos? Like, is she going through something, you know? So she does explain that whole thing of tattoos, you guys, that she used to self-harm herself. So tattoos were like her way of not self-harming, and tattoos were like a way of her like still feeling the pain, but not actually like self-harming herself. She does explain like where it started off. It started off with some random person on Twitter, like tweeting absolutely like wrong and false stuff about her, and then it caused her and her mother to like train like really vile stuff, you know, guys. And then it caused her and her mother to train for like 2 days. You know, people get on the X streets. X streets is like the devil's playground. And yeah, that's when the whole self-harming basically started. She's also bisexual, meaning that she's into boys and girls. She seems opinionated. She seems like she's a vibe. So, yeah, like we'll see also from her, like, guys, like in all honesty, like no one excited me like that. If I'm being quite honest, like no one excited me like that. And then who else did they show? They didn't get to show Oami. They didn't get to show Oami and her brother Junior. So I guess next episode they'll get to show him. Who else am I leaving out? They didn't get to show Tank, Tira's son. Guess they'll also show him on next episode. You guys, that is about it. Imagine, like, I can't even pick out like one thing that I can say in the show, like, yeah, this was, you know, because besides that, it was all Shamiso speaking, like showing us her work, her being a presenter, her like going up, touching up her makeup and don't. Yeah, guys, let me end it there because Allah Mangtin, guys, I don't know. But you know what? I am underwhelmed by the first episode needs to come in with a bang, you guys, that I must watch. Like I must say, like I can't wait for next week to watch it again. But this one I'm just like, I don't even know if I'm gonna go back and watch it. Anyway, guys, if you did watch it, tell me what you think about this Born Into Fame new show. Please do make sure that you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.